I arrived at Khalidiya Palace Hotel in Abu Dhabi. It is part of Rotana group. They should have the largest pool here in the town, so we will see. So far it looks like a nice hotel. It's alcohol-free hotel, so you will not get any alcohol drinks here, but you might bring your own alcohol and drink it in your room if you want. Let's go and check in. Yeah, there is some construction or something happened over there. The location of the hotel is actually perfect. It's near to President Palace, just like I think 5 minutes walk, and also Emirates Palace, which is one of the best hotels in the world. The lobby looks really nice, luxury. Here is the reception desk. Wow, guys, check this. I guess this is a restaurant. I will find out later on. It might be a breakfast restaurant. There is gift shop, some clothes. Photo studio if you want some pictures from your holiday. The room is on the 16th floor. They have actually different types of room. This is room with balcony and kitchen, small kitchen here. What we have here? Yeah, it's fridge. A big wardrobe, extra pillow, bathrobes, iron board. Full length mirror, always plus. And check the bathroom. Bathroom is actually really big. Nice shower. So it's bath and shower as well. Big desk. We have some complimentary tea and coffee here. Good size TV and massive bedroom, massive bed. And some living space. I think this room can accommodate up to 3 adults, so if 3 of you or a child can sleep on a sofa. And let's check the balcony. I actually really love it. It's good size balcony. And we have a view of Presidential Palace, which is over there. Here we have a bit of sea. And over there it's Emirate Palace. Really nice. I like it because you can see everything actually here. Partial sea view, palace, Emirate Palace. Perfect. Very happy so far. We got a present from the hotel, Khalidiya Palace. Thank you so much. It looks amazing, delicious. And check the view during the evening. It's absolutely amazing. This is a lobby cafe. We will check a selection of cakes. You can have a cake, fruits, or even sushi if you like, yogurt. Oh, they do have ice cream. It looks really nice and sophisticated. it's really family-orientated hotel. You will see lots of families here, and they have lots of activities for kids, and like everything is for kids here. They do some daily activities here. We have Wednesday today. Dart, cocktail game, water sport, mini disco. The pool is actually really big. You will get towels here. They do some work here on the beach. What I understood, they usually have sunbeds here as well, but because they are putting new sand here, sunbeds are limited, so just over there.